Okay, dear students, now let us continue our session. In this session, we are going to discuss a very important topic that is called as here packing fraction. Packing fraction or packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. Okay, now first of all, what is meant by here? Packing fraction or packing efficiency. Okay, now just you have to consider first of all what is meant by here packing fraction. The packing fraction which is defined as the ratio of the volume occupied by the spheres or atoms to the volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell which is called as here packing fraction or packing fraction. Just I am writing the definition, packing fraction formula, what I am telling here, the volume, occupied by the spheres, it is also called as here atoms, divided by volume of the unit cell, volume of, dear students, unit cell. This is called as here packing fraction. If you take it here packing efficiency, the same thing I am writing here, volume occupied by by the sphere, by the sphere divided by volume of unit cell into 100. Simple here. This is called as packing fraction, and if you multiply by 100 then efficiency will come. How much? First of all, how we have to understand, sir, what is the packing fraction? Just you told here volume occupied by atoms by to the volume of the unit cell. Now if I consider any cell here in that particular crystal, just I am arranging atoms here. Am I correct or not? This is the atoms, dear student. In this atom here, all the atoms are occupied in this particular lattice. Just check it here. This is called as first one, volume occupied by the sphere or atoms. This much space. For example, in that here, in that particular container, in the particular lattice, this part is occupied. That means here, this is called as the volume occupied by atom. Volume occupied by atom. Next one, what about the total volume? This entire it is called as, dear student, volume of the unit cell. That is just atoms occupied. Then there is some gaps are present. That gaps which is called as, dear students, here in this chapter, that is called as voids. That is called as, dear student, voids. That means here after you put some atoms in a particular shell or particular in crystalline lattice, how much the space is left in that particular lattice, that is known as here generally packing fraction. How much empty space is there, how much empty space, that also we are going to calculate here. Now with respect to simple unit cell, body center and phase center, we are calculating here packing fraction. Just if you consider what is the first of all, how to do it here, the packing fraction is equal to, one formula is there here, z into, here the volume of this one is equal to here 4/3 pi r cube divided by the total volume of the unit cell, we can consider here a cube. A into A cube. This A which is indicates, dear student, here volume V is equal to L into B into H or not? LB H. I can consider the edge length of this one, the length here A and breadth here A and height also A. I can generally consider this is volume is equal to A cube. Volume is equal to, a student, A cube. Here where Z indicates here. Already we starting discussed here the rank of the unit cell. What is, dear student, rank of the unit cell? Already we know this is the 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube, that is volume occupied into the sphere. The volume of the sphere, that is generally represent here 4/3 pi r cube. Now let me start here with respect to the simple or the primitive unit cell. Simple or primitive unit cell. What is the packing fraction I am calculating? Now if you consider this is This is, check it, all the atoms are at the corners. Am I correct or not? 6, 7, 8. Am I correct or not? Now Z, what is to do here? Only corners. The corners which is equal to here 8 into each contribution here, these students, 1 by 8, that is equal to 1. Okay, now Z is equal to here 1 for simple unit cell. Correct or not? Now I am substituting here. Packing fraction for the simple unit cell is equal to Z value, dear student, 1 into 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi, okay, r cube, which is divided by a cube. A cube which is indicates here generally edge length. I can consider this is edge length. I can consider this is edge length. This is edge length. We can consider. Am I correct? Now, okay, one more is there. That's why you can write here the radius. What is dear student? Okay, radius. The radius of the simple unit cell is equal to what is? R is equal to here a by 2. That implies here a is equal to 2r or not? A is equal to 2r. Am I correct? Now if you take it here, a is equal to 2r, I can substitute here by a cube, no? 2r whole cube. 2r whole cube, that implies here, okay, 1 into here, 4 into, I can write here 3.14 into r cube, which is divided by the 3 will come in the denominator, 3 into, okay, 2 cube, 8 into r cube. R cube is cancelled here, 4 or 8, how many times here? 2 times, that implies here 3.14 is divided by 6. Okay, if we take it here approximately 0.52. This is called as a packing fraction. Packing fraction is equal to how much is a student? Okay, 0.52. Then I want here, okay, packing efficiency is equal to 0.52 into 100. 0.52 into 100, that implies here packing fraction is equal to 52%. How much, dear student? Packing fraction is equal to 52. That implies here, okay, how much the empty space which is present in the unit cell. How much empty space, okay, space or okay, voids is present in the unit cell. Then I can write it here, the percentage of empty space. The percentage of empty space is equal to total how much? 100. How much occupied here? 52. Then how much remaining percent is here? 48%. How much, dear student? 48% is the okay empty space is present in the particular unit cell. This is about simple or primitive unit cell packing fraction. Next one, if we consider here body center, BCC. What is, dear student? Body center. If you take here body center, same I am considering, I can write directly here, same, what is packing fraction is equal to Z into 4/3 pi r cube divided by a cube. Now you can consider here Z value, dear student, for the BCC, how much? Okay, corners plus body center or not? Okay, if we consider cube, okay, what is the rank? This is all corners here. Next one, how many body centers here? Only one body center. Then Z is equal to corners here 8 into 1 by 8, corner plus body center 1 into 1, that is equal to here 2. Z value is equal to, dear students, Z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2. Next one, what is about here? Edge length. First of all, we need to understand here what is radius. Radius, R is equal to square root of 3 by 4 into A or not? For body center, 3 by 4 into A, that you can write it here. Then A is equal to 4R divided by root 3 or not? We already discussed in the previous lecture. The radius of the body center is equal to square root of 3 by 4. A is equal to 4R by root 3. Just I am substituting here. Then packing fraction is equal to Z value, dear student, 2 into 4. Okay. The 3 I am writing the denominator. Pi value I am writing 3.14. R cube as it is divided by, tell me here, the 3 will come down. Okay, here what will come? 4R by root 3. That means I can write here, okay, substitute 4 total cube, no? Okay, 4 cube, that means I can write here 4R by root 3 whole cube. Am I correct? That implies here packing fraction is equal to, okay, 2 into, okay, 4 into 3.14 into r cube divided by 3 into what will happen here students here 64 into r cube. The root 3 is there, no, it will go into the denominator. What will come? Root 3 whole cube. Root 3 whole cube. Then here 4 how many times? 16 times cancel. R cube is cancelled. Next one here 2 how many times? 8 times is cancelled. That implies the PF packing fraction is equal to 3.14 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Okay, that means 1.732 by here. Okay, 3. Okay, if you take it here 3.14 into root 3 whole cube divided by 3 8s are 24 and approximately value will come here 0.68. How much, dear student? 0.68. This is the packing fraction. What is, dear student, packing fraction? So the packing efficiency is equal to 0.68 into 100. 0.68 into 100. Then packing efficiency is equal to, dear student, 68%. 68%. So what is the voids here? The empty space is present. Empty space. How much? 100 minus how much? Okay, occupied, dear student, 68. That is okay is equal to here 32%. That is come from the empty space which is occupied in okay body center unit cell. What is, dear student, body center unit cell? Okay, dear student, please note down. And okay, phase center we have to discuss. Okay, dear students, okay, so far we discussed the 2 unit cells packing fraction and the third one which is comes under phase centered unit cell. Okay, now just I am writing here same formula. Packing fraction is equal to Z into 4/3 pi r cube is divided by a cube. Am I correct? Now phase center general, if you take it here, how many phases here? What is the rank of the unit cell? This one 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here phase centers I am writing 1 is then Z is equal to, dear students, corners plus okay phase centers are not corners plus phase center. Okay, corners 8 into 1 by 8 plus how many phases, dear students? 6 into each contribution here 1 by 2, that is equal to here 4. 1 plus 3 4. Z is equal to here 4. Am I correct or not? Okay, comes under here the radius. Next one, the radius r is equal to, what is the radius, dear students? Here a is divided by 2 root 2 or not. This is the radius. Just I am substituting in that particular formula here so that we will get it here. The packing fraction is equal to Z value, dear students, 4 into 4/3 pi r cube, 4 into 3.14 into r cube is divided by, check it here, okay, 3 will come automatically down, 3 into r. Okay, this is the a value. Okay, from there a is equal to 2 root 2 into r or not? 2 root 2 into r, 2 root 2 into r whole cube. Am I correct? Then I can write it here 4 into 3.14 into r cube which is divided by, just check it here, 3 into okay 2 cube, that means, dear student, 8 and root 2 okay whole cube into r cube. Am I correct or not? R cube is cancelled. Okay, 4 how many times dear students? 2 times here, 2 how many times here? Okay, 2 times cancelled. That implies here okay packing fraction is equal to okay 2 into 3.14 which is divided by 3 into root 2 whole cube. Okay, if you multiply here, total what will come dear student? 6.28. okay, 6.28 divided by okay 3 into root 2 whole cube, and finally you have to write here okay approximately 0.74. 0.74, this is comes under dear student okay packing fraction. So packing efficiency is equal to 0.74 into 100. okay, that I can write here. Okay, now point okay packing efficiency is equal to 74%. okay, 74%. okay, now I can write here what is the empty space present. okay, this one okay 100 minus 74, that indicates here okay total how much? 26% void space is present in the okay face centered unit cell. What is real student? Face centered unit cell. okay, now just I am writing here what is summary of this one packing fraction here. okay, take it what is simple unit cell dear student? Simple or primitive unit cell? Primitive unit cell, what is okay just I can write here this is the unit cell. This is for BCC and this is for dear student FCC. okay, just if you write here this is packing efficiency, this is voids empty space. okay, simple what is the okay this one dear student packing efficiency 52%. how much? 52. what is the empty space dear student? 48% is empty space. Next one if you consider here BCC, okay how much? 68% is there. okay, 0.68 no 68%. remaining how much empty space dear student? 32% is there. Am I correct or not? okay, next one in case of here FCC, total how much we got it here? 74% is the okay packing efficiency. Then what is the empty space dear students? 26% of okay empty space which is present in okay face centered unit cell. okay dear students, this is our okay today's topic, today's okay session. Everything okay these formulas and as well as this percentage is very very important okay for the competitive exams. okay, for what how much okay what is the packing efficiency for the BCC and FCC respectively if they are giving without getting any confusion, just you have to note down in a sequence form 68, 74% respectively. Sometimes they will ask how much amount of the space which is occupied in okay simple and FCC if they are asking 48, 26% okay respectively. This is a very important dear students, please note down. Thank you dear students.